Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and I'm going to tell you the listing time of Lazio Fan Token. What is the trading time? At what time Lazio Fan Token is going to list on Binance? It is not available on Binance right now. It is in the IDO stage, but at what time is it going to list? So let me show you with the help of previous two launch pads. If you take a look at this Coin98, you can see the calculation period and the subscription period and the final token distribution period was 4 p.m. okay. Here if we take a look at the Lazio Fan Token, you can clearly see the final distribution token is same timing like the Coin98. And if I show you the chart, you can see the trading started at 5, okay, so 16 p.m. and after 1 hour token will be distributed at 16 or 4 p.m. your local time, and after that 17, after 1 hour the trading started. Here let me show you one more, the Beta Finance, which was the last the IDO launch pad. You can see the same, the calculation period, the subscription period, and the final distribution. You can see calculation period was 15 and final token distribution was 16. Okay, let me show you here one more time. The token calculation period 15, token final distribution 16, Lazio Fan Token. And if I show you the chart here, this is the Beta Finance chart, and you can clearly see right after 1 hour the trading started. So guys, the trading of Lazio Fan Token is going to start right now. It's 1:42, so approximately 5 p.m. of 5 p.m. 3 hours from now on. Yeah, after 3 hours. Yeah, 3 hours from now on. So what happens, the subscription period is going to end within 1 hour and 17 minutes, and after that your calculated amount will be distributed among your wallets. You will get your the tokens at 4 p.m. sorry, at 4 p.m. okay. Final token will be distributed, that the Lazio Fan tokens will be distributed at 4 p.m. and the trading will start at 5 p.m. so Binance is going to list the Lazio Fan token at 5 p.m. and I'm going to announce it here. So that's the current scenario of the Lazio Fan Token, guys. And the price prediction is that the price here, I was reading this article, they said that the price is going to at least reach the $10 mark. So that is a 10x or 1x, sorry, that is 1x, because right now the price is 1 USDT at the pre-sale. So it says that the price can go to $10. So let's hope, my prediction is the $5, and let's hope this coin is going to rock. And this is an article wonderfully written by Hassan Shafiq on the Coin Market Cap, so you can check out that article. So that is the current scenario. Binance is going to list Lazio Fan Token at 5 p.m. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.